Let's get another run started now. We are playing pretty good today. Can I stop long jumping instead of side flipping? Yeah, this is really slow already. Today is the National Day of Remembrance of Holocaust. Nice, I guess. Happy National Remembrance Day of Holocaust. Wait, is it like a holiday, like where you live? Or is it just a common day, but you should just, you know, keep it in mind and stuff? Like, do you have to work on a holiday? Sheila 9. Yes, we host a party. That's not how I meant it. Oh my god. Nine. Sheila. 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 Now he speaks German. What else am I supposed to do? Talk check to my cat? Spot on, by the way. I'm not making it.
Wir verlieren das.
Three or five. Can't just death abuse there. But yeah, but if I do it, I will spawn back at the training course. And I usually don't get the death abuse first try, so I just bounce once and it's kind of slow until I die. So I think for me it's just faster to go back to the ship. Since I spawned back at the training course. It's faster, just not for you, yeah. Also, the real route does... Fuck. The real route does Mercadia before we are out now, so... They just do, get the... Like, they just do boxy. Ah! They just do boxy... Wait. When do they do boxy? They just do boxy when they go for Vidcomic 1. But I don't want to do that yet, since I'm not 100% confident on boxy yet. And I don't really do any crazy stuff on Mercadia, so... I don't mind having Mercadia later in the run. If that makes sense. So I'm just doing an unoptimal route for what's it called? For consistency's sake, basically. To get more runs going. 5 or 8. I have no idea what my PB has here. But if I get a 730 or better, I'm ahead of PB. And the 730 should be really doable. I need to shit and I'm waiting for boss. No! That's the worst feeling. I'm so sorry for you. Wait, where the fuck am I? Oh, I didn't replace my rifts. Fuck. Just remember to shit, fuck and no. Platoon. You are one special boy. Oh my god. Yes. Crazy. That was really good. Too low? Still? Okay. I have to rewatch someone do this mission. Ah, fuck.
Ich will nicht sterben, ich gebe auf.
Oh my god.
Danke, Sarge. Sie haben
Crazy.
uns gerettet.
Crazy bad.
Wir müssen die gegnerischen Transporter
Why did it sound like disappointment? Because I was disappointed in that comment. But it's okay, I still love you, Dodo. Yo, what's up, Chair?
Zeigen Sie es ihnen, Sarge.
It's been a while, my man. How are you? Good, now that I'm eating sandwiches, let's fucking go. Which type of sandwich? Like what type of sandwich? Also mind sharing with the class, please? Actually no, I'm having food in like an hour. Mystical sandwich.
Beschützen Sie die Reparaturcrew. Wir müssen das Geschütz wieder benutzen können.
One with ham and one with spicy chicken. Let's fucking go. Sounds delicious. Enjoy, enjoy. I hope you enjoy your sandwiches. I hope you enjoy your mystical sands.
Haltet uns den Rücken frei, dann haben wir die Kiste schnell repariert.
Isn't that crazy? It's daylight all of a sudden again. It's epic, can't ride well with a sandwich in hand though. Understandable. I'm gonna go to Marathon Man's chat now. Goodbye guys.
Wir müssen die Mechaniker schützen.
Hello Marathon Man. It is me, Safi. But I am doing mission 4 right now. So I don't really have much to do. Okay, I'm back with you guys. I'm back here. No, I'm back here. Don't worry. I could never leave you. Oh my god. I could never leave you guys for too long. See ya, howdy. How are you? What's up, Mighty? Mission 4 is about to end, so I have to go again. See you later. Always gotta, you know, socialize. Yo, what's up, Immortal? I'm talking to you in 2 chats. Thanks for the good luck. Sheila. Is my mic still working? Can you still hear me, guys? Because Sheila is sitting on the cable again. Test. Okay, yeah, you can hear me. According to OBS, you can. I need to get a new cable finally. I finally have to get a new cable. So yeah, I'm ahead after out of Mercadia, ahead of PB. But it's not a really good Mercadia so far. Sheila! Sheila! She keeps trying to drink my fucking water. Oh, this is almost a goal. This isn't even as bad as I thought it would be. I thought this would be worse. We are ahead by 29 seconds. Okay, I'm downing this water now. Fuck you, Sheila. You have Wise Guy at home? Let's fucking go. Wise Guy. What do you mean rude? I'm sharing a lot of things with my cat. But not my fucking cup of water. Wait, clip. Selfish. She has a lot. She has so. Oh my god. I'm not drinking her water bowl out of her water bowl either. What the fuck? Oh my god. You guys are absolute clowns. I swear to god. You guys are absolute clowns. Deku! Let's stop doing that. Have you ever eaten her fowdy? No, I have never eaten her fowdy. I remember when my older sister really liked cat food. The wet meat kind. Good time. What the fuck? When are we all meeting up? ESA summer, exactly. JR, your sister seems to be, you know, nice and interesting and somewhat special. Let me compare against PB. Everyone has ever has tried. What the fuck? Where are you shooting? Where is my sniper? I have never tried a dog treat. Mostly because I never had a dog. Special needs? Now that's very rude. That's not nice to say, Riley. She made you an uncle recently. Let's fucking go! That's actually based. You haven't lived to the full cest. I haven't lived to the full cest, I agree.
Wir sollen die feindlichen Truppen ausschalten, die diese Brücke bewachen. Die Tyrannos werfen uns Truppen in den Rücken. Wir sind umzingelt. Lauft um euer Leben. Die Tyrannos stürmen die Brücke. Ich will nicht sterben. Einsatzziel erfüllt.
I enjoy being an uncle. It's fun.
Sarge, ein Freiwilliger muss den Tyrannos in die Rücken fallen. Unser Befehl lautet, den Feindstützpunkt anzugreifen.
Oh, this
und
and
diese
this.
Schleimschlürfer für immer
It's
zu
like, you know,
beseitigen.
all the positive sides of having a kid
Feindliche Untertassen.
without the responsibilities.
Wir werden von feindlichen Untertassen beschossen. Wir brauchen Verstärkung. Mann, das war echt gut gezielt. Sarge, da kommt was. Da sind sie. Jetzt wird's ernst. Oh,
Wait,
das war's.
okay.
Blackwater.
Nice. I called the mafia. Nice. Oh no, the Italian is angry. Everyone hide your pasta. What the fuck? Why is this so funny to me? Oh no.
Come, Guardian!
It's funny because you're racist. I don't think that's the reason, but okay. Crazy. Wolf head? Nah, not on this run. This run is too good. Get fucked, dude. Canceling US respeed. Caught in 4K. Ah, unlucky. Okay, I refund myself. Nah, I'll put it on. Don't worry. God, fuck you, dude. Yeah, I know. Dadun, can you refund fourth place?
Aktiviere den Knopf, um das Schild umzudrehen.
What the fuck, man?
Das Zeug zum Champion.
Okay. And Chinese shit. Sure.
Das wird nicht einfach.
That's a really good nation.
Ich bin nächste Woche beim Demolition Derby auf Lorana.
That might become gold, I don't know.
Hier geht's gleich richtig rund. Wir haben einen neuen Champion. Ladies and Gentlemen, Applaus
Okay.
für...
Here you go, Dadun, blah blah blah, whatever. What do you need leaderboard mod roll for? What are you doing? Should I go for... Should I really go for Scrunchless again? I'm ahead. I should not, honestly.
Versucht ihn im Berufsverkehr abzuschütteln. Super, ich liebe Verfolgungsjagden. Schön, das sieht super aus, Kleiner. Jetzt weichst du den Lasern aus und triffst dich auf dem Casino-Parkplatz mit dem Affen.
God!
In dieser Szene müssen Agent Clank und der Affe ihre Meinungsverschiedenheiten beilegen und zusammenarbeiten, um diesen Vorsprung zu erreichen. Und ich will echte
I don't know, can you?
sehen, klar.
Thank you. Why did you refund him? I put it on.
Würde Agent Clank sie überqueren.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Thanks, Franz. Wouldn't it be funny if he killed me there, because I'm on 1 HP? First you... No! I think I wanted you.
Jetzt kommt das
We are not married!
Clank gegen den Terror von
The sex is Armin's cousin? I've never seen them, so I don't know.
Action! Genau das will ich sehen.
No, go to the left. Go into the corner. You absolute fuck.
Und jetzt die Riesen-Ninjas.
How are we not married? We are just not. I married you when I was 8. That's kinda crazy. Something tells me you just doxed your date of birth. How? I tapped triangle once to enter the ship. The game selected the fucking plasma storm. Oh my god. You took the wrong what the where am I going? Hello? Yeah, funny joke, really funny. Maybe I should pay attention where I'm going. Yeah, it's like 5 seconds slower than my gold. I think 5 seconds slower than my PB, I think. I mean... Wait! How do you fucking... I'm mauling. How did she live? Also, where the fuck are my turrets? Sie war mein bestest Tänzerin. I love it. You just talked to her like she's an object and not a female, by the way. The way you just said that, you implied that she's an object.
Schützen Sie sich vor Hinrichtungen, indem Sie Ihr Fahrtenbuch und 3 verschiedene Ausweisdokumente gut sichtbar am Körper tragen.
Maybe?
Immer heran.
That was my long jump. You're saying that like it was a mistake. Oh god. Also, hey Mara. By the way, sorry. Fuck. What? Oh my fucking... How?
Komm, Guardian!
Mann, lol, halt die Fresse. Stupid. Oops. You really like the vidcomic one? No, I hate it. I guess I'll try the backtrack. Might as well. Run sucks now anyway. Oh my god, stop. How did I fucking select the Rift Ripper there? Oh my god, you were right, Capri. We took wrong Clank. I didn't notice. I'm so sorry. I should have trusted you. One day I will get it. Vidcomic 1 is cancer, it should hang itself. How can cancer hang itself? Cancer doesn't even have a neck. What if it's neck cancer? What the fuck am I reading, guys? I have to get rid of this split. I don't need it anymore. I'm so low. Okay, never mind. It was actually good. Nein, 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 nein. Jetzt nicht. No life, no onion. No oxygen, no life. That's an interesting cycle. Onion on your sandwich, let's fucking go. Maybe, please. If I hyper strike earlier, maybe. Fuck, that I did not like that angle. You have no onion, you are depressed. You kill yourself, you don't have an onion. That's... wow. That's something to think about.
Sicherheitssystem auf Deck 6 meldet internen Alarm. Schäden des Brückenbereichs bei 40%. Künstliche Schwerkraft auf Deck 5 ausgefallen.
Oops. Wow, and I still get hit. Yosh mixtape, thanks for the good luck. I do need it. Okay, let's try to PB with this. Wow, unlucky. Okay. Do I have shield ammo? I didn't pay attention. Does anyone know if I have shield ammo? Man, can you... Why is everyone asking about grape soda today? What the fuck is going on? What? I was about to charge there. Oh fuck this. You shouldn't have asked mixtape, I think. They're talking about NFC and fucking... Oh, you told me to go forward, sorry Franz. I'll go for sneak scopes. If I fuck them up, I fuck them up.